Before we dive into today's EA, you can download the free Forex robots for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are reviewing the KairosGold EA for MT5. This is a selective gold system that trades only at specific hours in a verified market regime or in verified market regimes. So let's break down the design and take a look at my backtest results. As you can see, the EA goes for 199 US dollars. And if we expand this, you see down the MKL5 page, the Kairos gold is named after the ancient Greek concept of the opportune moment. You can see the opportune moment. It trades XAUUSD only at statistically selected hours of the day and only in market regimes where its edge has been verified. The rest of the time, it just stays flat and it does not trade in unclear conditions. It uses 10 independent strategy modules. Each combines an entry hour, a direction, and a market regime. Two execution engines are employed. A grid engine on the buy side that accumulates positions with the same lot size during strong uptrends and closes them via quick profit taking and basket netting, no martingale. And the scalp engine that works on both buy and sell sides with single positions protected by a hard server side stop loss, break even, and time based exits. A daily chart trend filter decides which modules are allowed to trade. When conditions are unclear, the system waits. A public live signal is available for real account monitoring. See, there's a public live signal. As for the features, the key features include the 10 modules with regime filtering, same lot buy side grid, no lot multiplication, hard stop scalp trades, FOMC news filter, equity stop, spread and cost watchdogs, automatic environment checks on startup, active and conservative presets, and the ability to disable the grid modules for pure single position operation. Recommended setup is a hedging account, XAU-USD charts, starting balance preferably $1,000 or more, read depth scales with balance, and a VPS. Daily history of about 250 bars is required before trading begins. Alright, let's take a look at some of the screenshots here on the site. You can see there are some equity curves presented. Let's take a look at this. So you can see this one is for a period of 4 years from 2022 to 2026 and for an initial deposit of 150,000 JPY. Um, there was 136% growth, which landed in 353,542 JPY. There was a win rate of 90.2%, profit factor of 4.51, max equity drawdown of 9%, and the EA took 591 trades. Alright, so this is all well and good, but what happens when I put it through my own personal backtest? Let's quickly head over to MT5 and take a look. Alright, so like I said, I was opportune to test the EA using the recommended settings and pair. As you can see, I have my EA installed here, the KairosGold EA, and I use the XAUUSD gold symbol on the daily time frame for a custom period of 1 year ranging from the 1st of April 2025 to the 1st of April 2026. So looking at my backtest on a 10K account, you can see the equity curve shows strong overall growth, and this is reflected in the results as well, with net profits around $16,700 and the high profit factor of 5.59, maximum equity drawdown which is approximately 19.5%, as you can see here, while the balance drawdown stays much lower at 2.48%. All right, so the disparity between balance and equity drawdown is typical of systems that hold floating grid or basket positions. The accounts can look healthy on closed trades, while open exposure creates temporary equity pressure. The developer is transparent that the grid carries no individual stop loss and relies on basket management, regime exits, and the equity stop, so the EA must remain running. Let's head back to the website. So the selective R and regime design are the option to run without the grid modules are useful risk control features. The hard stop scalp side prevents defined or provides defined risks while when the grid is disabled. Still, any grid component introduces path-dependent risks that can expand during sharp goal reversals. Honestly, the features that matter most are the choice of presets. Conservative is more selective, whether the grid modules are enabled, the equity stop percentage, and continuous VPS operation. The live signal provides useful real-world context. So overall, the KairosGold EA is a selective multi-module goal system with a same lot buy-side grid and hard stop scalp engines controlled by daily regime filters. The shared backtest shows strong roots accompanied by meaningful equity drawdown. Independent verification, conservative presets, and clear understanding of the grid risks are essential. Always trade with money you can afford to lose. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA to test next. Don't forget to grab that free Forex toolbox from the description too. Trade safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.